Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today we're doing my Glossybox unboxing for February of 2018. Stand by. So guys, I just got my February Glossybox for 2018 in the mail, and I'm so excited to open it up for you guys. But first, if you guys have not seen who won my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, I have that video posted. I'll have that linked down below if you want to check out who won that. And you guys, if you're new here, hi, my name is Cassie. It's nice to meet you. And I would love for you to become friends with me on the internet. And how you can do that is basically just by scrolling down and clicking that little red subscribe button down below. And there's really no reason not to do it because it's free and we could hang out. Yeah, it'd be cool. It'd be cool to be friends with you on the internet. So make sure you subscribe and also hit that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I make a new video. Without further ado, let's jump right into this Glossybox unboxing. And if you guys don't know, Glossybox is a $20 subscription box. You pay $20 a month and you get a box. Some of the items are full size. Yeah, that's basically the summary, the roundup. If you have any questions about the box, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be happy to answer those. This month, the Glossybox kind of looks like a little package. So, I mean, more like a postcard, I guess. Yeah, it has an envelope on the front. And then it has a place to put the address and a stamp on it. And on the side, there's all of this cursive writing, and of course it says Glossybox. Oh, it says sealed with a kiss on the side and filled with love on the other side. So that's actually a really cute box. We don't normally get customized boxes for Glossybox. Normally it's just a pink box that says Glossybox on it. But I'm happy with this. I think this is really cute. And it's very love letter themed, which kind of gives me the feeling that it's Valentine's themed because it's February. Okay, so opening up, I've got a little sent with a kiss. And it's just a postcard. That's kind of cool. I want to send this to somebody. So if you want to receive a postcard from me, comment down below and I'll pick somebody to send this to. I'll write you a little note and everything. That'll be kind of cool. Okay, so we also have another sheet, which is the little pamphlet that has all of the products in here. I'm not going to open up all the way because I do want to be surprised. This is what the little tissue paper looks like. It's got little kisses on there. And then we've got some stuff in here. So guys, the first thing I'm seeing is the thing that you guys all just saw. It's the Pour Green Tea Mud Sheet Mask, and it's by JJ Young Kaoloin Lab. Something lab. It's from a lab, you guys. It has kind of the themes of Korean skincare. Looks a little cute. But this is definitely a cute little packaging, and it's a good sized product, so I'm sure I'll get some good use out of that. It says the mask will vary, so you might have gotten a different mask than I did. And it says the cost for one mask is $5, so it's a little bit on the pricier side for a single mask. And it is Korean beauty, so that's pretty cool. It says it's a 3D sheet mask, so I'm not sure exactly what that means. I'll have to try it out. Maybe do like a live stream, a face mask live stream or something like that. If that sounds like a good time to you, let me know because I love to do that for you guys. The next thing I have in here is a Lexi Brush. It is not pink though. This is the first not pink Lexi Brush I've ever seen. I don't know if they're changing up their theme a little bit. Maybe this is like a different tier of Lexi Brush or something, but I love Lexi brushes. It's a small tapered blending brush, the Lexi 231. So that's definitely really cool to get. It is just a little tapered blending brush. Definitely something that'd be really good for blending in the crease and stuff like that. So I'm really excited about that. I love getting brushes in my boxes and they're always a really good value. So that is fun as well. It says the full size of that brush is $16 and that seems about right. That's what I would spend on a brush like that. So I think that's fair and I'm excited to get to use that. Next thing I'm seeing in here is a Royal Apothic Scrubby Sugar Lip Scrub. So this is a really decent size as well. It is a little tube, like kind of like a toothpaste tube of lip scrub. And this is something that I really need in my life right now because if you live in a cold state like I do, I live in Minnesota, and my lips in the winter can just get so dry and cracky, and actually Brian's do too, so this will be good. I'll maybe let him try it out a little bit, but I am really excited about this actually. And it says the full size of this is $14, and it looks like we did get the full size. So that's definitely a fun thing to get. And so far, I'm really impressed with the value we're getting out of this box. Everything has been full size, and that's not really typical for Glossybox. I feel like this is getting to be a really good deal. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a Douce Glosswear lip gloss, the shade 769. So this is what that looks like. It is definitely a really pretty shade. It's a nice fuchsia color, but it is a gloss, so that's not super exciting to me. It's a really good size though, so it's definitely good value. I just don't tend to really like glosses, so that's more of a personal preference than anything else. So it does come with a little brush. It's not a doe foot applicator, just a little brushy. And that came out a lot darker than I thought it was going to in the tube, but I still really like the color. It does feel pretty tacky. You know, maybe it's something I'll be able to use. I'll just have to try it out and see what I think of it, but if not, I definitely know a couple people who like lip glosses that would be more than happy to take this off my hands. So it says that lip gloss runs for $24. Douce is a more expensive brand. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that right, you guys, but I have seen some of their products before and it's been a little bit expensive. In my opinion, it's a little bit overpriced. I don't think they're quite the quality that they're priced at, so maybe that's something to think about. I probably wouldn't pay more than, I mean, let's be honest here, I wouldn't pay anything for a lip gloss because I'm not a lip gloss person. But if I was a lip gloss person, I'd probably not pay more than like $12 or $13 for something like that. But the packaging is very nice and it is a really decent size, so if you're into lip glosses, I think you'll be really happy about getting that. And the last thing I got in here is actually two things, but I think they come as a pair. They're John Masters Organic Geranium and Grapefruit Body Wash and Body Milk. So I'm assuming body milk means essentially body lotion, because what in the world is a body milk, you guys? That kind of sounds disgusting in my opinion. It's a body milk. I don't know, is that just me? Is that just me that thinks that's weird? Okay, that might just be me, but that like weirds me out a little bit. These are good things to get. I'll definitely use them when I travel, but not something I would desire in my box, and they're not full size for sure. But still, I'm really happy with the size of those, and I will definitely get use out of them. It'll just have to wait until I go on a trip or something like that. Okay, and I do really like that they did this. In the little sheet, they say how much the featured size is worth. They say that both of those are worth $6.50. I would not pay $6.50 for that. But if the large sizes are expensive, then that could work out. So that makes sense. But it says for these little 2 fluid ounce bottles, they're each worth $6.50. So that's going to come out to be a total of around $13. So definitely a good value to get in the box, but it's not something that I would want in there personally. If I was making the box, then it would be a little bit different. But overall, I would say we got a really good value of things in this box. Most of the products were full size. Actually, everything in the box was full size besides these 2 samples, and we got 2 of them and they're pretty decent sizes. So I would say this is one of Glossybox's better boxes in my opinion. We got a full-size brush, a full-size lip product, 2 full-size lip products actually, because you've got a lip scrub and a lip gloss, and then a sheet mask as well, along with these 2 body wash, body cream things. So I really think that this box is worth the $20. I think we got well over the $20 in cost here, and I'm very excited to get to try all of these things out. So if this is the direction that Glossybox is going, then I think they're going in a really good direction. I'm really happy with everything that I got this month, and I think they did a great job. So guys, let me know in the comments down below what you thought of Glossybox this month. Did you like it? Did you not like it? What was your favorite product in the box? And how do you think it's gonna fare against BoxyCharm this month? So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I love you so much. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so that we get to hang out a little bit more here on the internet. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!